Okay, this says parking brake issue. So this car, the rear parking brake is not working. Electronic parking brake. The issue is on the right side. Right side of the car, the left side of the car seem to be grabbing the brake. The right side is not. So I'm going to take a look. So this side, when I apply the parking brake, this side the wheel is not grabbing. And the other side, okay, the other side is grabbing the wheel, so he can't spin the wheel. But this one, even with the parking brake on, he can't. I could spin the wheel. Okay, so though I know that this side is not grabbing. So what I did, I went out here, take a look at the brake motor. Here, we see the better light. Okay. There's a cover that goes over the motor, so you can take that off or move out of the way. And then the brake motor sits here. The handbrake motor. There are 2 screws. Okay, 2 screws, and they were taken off by this size HW5. It says whatever. So that's the socket you need, and there are 2 screws of this size that you gotta take off. Once you do, then you disconnect the cable right here. The cable is right here, and then you just basically pull this out. Okay. That's the motor, which you remove. And here's the new motor from Mercedes. Okay, so that's the new one. I want to put that in. And it comes with the O-ring and the nuts and the screws you need right here. All right, let's put that in. Now the O-ring is sitting right here. Let's see. Right there. I'm gonna have to take that off and put the new O-ring in. I'm gonna use a pick like this to take out the O-ring. There you go. And then we put the new one. So put the new one. Basically just put it the same way it came out. Kind of hard to see, but just gotta find your way over it. Okay, and put the screws back in. Okay, that is the trick. The light coat of grease. Actually, I used the caliper pin grease. It worked out pretty good. It let it slip in there pretty easily. Okay, and then snap the cover back in. That cover that went over it. Okay, so the wire is out of the way. It's all good. I gotta plug in the plug here. Let's see. Here, clip. Yeah, okay. Oh, nice. Let's go test.